Good morning. Anmol classes welcomes you. In the previous video, we were seeing your second year first semester of BTech Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. In that we are seeing the Python Programming Lab. So we have seen your experiment 1, 2 and 3. In this video, we will be seeing the fourth experiment. So what the fourth experiment is? The fourth experiment is write a Python script to print the current date in the following format: Sun, May, 29, 02, 26, 23, IST 2017. So here, as it is telling about the current date, we need to import the date and time. And format here you see, instead of Sunday, it is just the abbreviation Sun is there. Then for month, May is there, and for date 29 is there. After that you are having hour, minute, second. Then you are having a Indian Standard Time, IST. IST is your Indian Standard Time, followed by the year. So year it is written completely 2017. So 2017 it is written. Okay. So this is the problem that we need to go for. So in order to solve this, or in order to write the program, something we should know related to this. First, as it is telling about a date and here time is also mentioned there, we need to import the current date and time. Then we will see that what are the different formats and how we can go for writing this particular format for your date time. So we can import the date time class from the date time module. It's because the object of the date time class can be accessed strftime method. So we can go for importing the date time from date time module, and we can use strf method, strftime method. Now you see that different format that we can use in your strf method. So if we want to go for writing the abbreviation of weekend, say instead of Sunday if you want to write only SUN, instead of Monday if you want only MON, then we can write it percentage small a. If we are going for writing the full weekday name, that is Sunday, Monday, like that, then we can go for percentage capital A. Earlier percentage small a, here percentage capital A. Then we can go for day of the month. Day of the month, if we are using it as a 0 padded decimal, means if you want to write 01, 02, 03 as date, then we will go for percentage small d. If we don't want to use this 0 and directly we want to write date as 1, 2, 3, 4, then we need to go for percentage dash small d. Similarly, if we are going for abbreviating the month, say January means JAN, February means FEB, like that if you want, then we can go for percentage small b. If you want to go for full month name, that is January, February, like that, so we can go for percentage capital B. Percentage small b for abbreviated month, percentage capital B for full month name. Similarly, we can go for month also. So for month, percentage small m. Here you will be having a 0 padded decimal, means month will be 01, 02, like that. And if you don't want to include this 0 directly, if you want the month name as 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can go for percentage dash small m. Similarly, for year, we can go for say percentage small y. So percentage small y means year without a century, means say 2024 will be only 24. But if you want to write complete 2024, then we need to go for percentage capital Y. So percentage capital Y, it is year with century as a decimal number. So we'll be having example here, it is given 2013, 2019. At present it is 2024. For our we can go for percentage capital H. For your minute, we can go for percentage capital M, and for second, we can go for percentage capital S. Now, after knowing all these, let us go for execute the program. So this is the program. So here, if you are seeing, first we are starting with hash. So this is comment line. Experiment 4. Write a Python script to print the current date in the following format: Sun, May 29, 02:26:23, IST 2017. This is just one format it is given. We need to write the current date in this format. So first, your program is starting from second line. From date time, import date time. Today is equal to date time dot today, common bracket open, common bracket close. Say if we want only date, if you don't want time, then we can go for importing date only. No need for importing this date time. Okay. Then the first format, d1 is equal to today.strftime, common bracket, then percentage small d, percentage small m, percentage capital Y. So percentage small d slash forward slash percentage small m forward slash percentage capital Y. This means that it is in the form of date, month and year format. Then print d1 is equal to comma d1. So this is the format that we have assigned to d1, that we are getting it at the output. Second one is your d2, second format. d2 is equal to today.strftime, common bracket, percentage small m, percentage small d and percentage small y. So percentage small y means only year will be there. Instead of say 2024, you will be having only 24. In your earlier case, you will be having complete 2024. Here you are having a month, then date and then year you will be having. Then the print d2 is equal to comma d2. So whatever the format that we have assigned to d2, we will be printing it here. So print d2 is equal to whatever is there, this will be coming as it is. Okay. Then the third way of writing is d3 is equal to today.strftime, common bracket, percentage small b, then dash, percentage small d, percentage capital Y. So this is, you will be seeing month, it is in abbreviated way. Then we are having a day followed by complete year. Year means 2024. Okay. Then print d3 is equal to comma d3. So whatever the format that we have assigned to d3, that will be appearing here. Then fourth way is textual month. Textual month, day and year. d4 is equal to today.strftime, common bracket, percentage capital B, percentage small d, percentage capital Y. So as we have written percentage capital B, so complete month will be appearing. Then we are having date and we are having year. Year will be complete year 2024, like that. Then print d4 is equal to comma d4. So what is the format that we have assigned to d4, that will be appearing it here. And the final format, that is experiment format, Sun, May 29, 02:26:23, IST 2017. So d5 is equal to today.strftime, percentage small a. Percentage small a means week name, it will be in abbreviated way. Percentage small b, that is your month, it will be in abbreviated way. Then percentage small b, small d, this is for your date. Then we are having percentage capital H, percentage capital M and percentage capital S. So this is for your hour, minute and second. IST is your Indian Standard Time, percentage capital Y. So capital Y means complete year will be there. Then print d5 is equal to colon d5. What is the format that we have assigned to d5, that will be appearing it here. Now we have written 5 different format for your date time. Let us try to execute it and see them individually. So when we are running this program, you see d1 is equal to, first one, you will be having date, month and year, complete year 2024. Second format is your month, date and year. If you are seeing year, only 24 is there, 2000 is not there, only 24 is there. Third format is Jan, Jan, Jan. Month it is abbreviated. Then we are having date and year we are having complete. Fourth format is month is complete there. Then we are having date and year complete it is there. And finally the D5, it is as per required the experiment. We are having week, day, it is in abbreviated way. Month, it is in abbreviated way. Then we are having date, we are having hour, minute, second, then Indian Standard Time, followed by year. So with this we have successfully completed this program. In the next video we will be going for seeing your fifth experiment. Thank you.